Hello guys, me and Saturn are back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you this video I took last night. Enjoy! As you can see, these bitches keep fainting.
And
And won't you look at that? A fucking anomaly attack.
You dumb fucking bitch! I'm gonna fuck you!
I already know this shit is gonna be stressful. But at least I got a gun.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Bitch, I got the gun.
Oh!
We're already to a bad start. Now what the heck is that? Now back to what I was doing. Bitch move. I could have sworn I heard something. And of course I forget to cure this patient. And this bitch is literally about to die. God damn it. My dumbass wasn't looking again, and they were an anomaly anyway. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. What's going on here? Alright. Speedrunning time. YSSSS, we did it. Anyways, this will be the end of the video. I know it's short. I'm sorry. Part 2 will be out soon. Bye.
Hottie, hottie, like a bag of Takis, I'm the shit.